The surge in carbon monoxide poisoning cases that we're seeing, a woman and an 8-year-old girl in southwest Houston have died.
21-year-old friends turned tragic after 3 of them died of suspected carbon monoxide poisoning. According to the police, the women were on their way home to Sungai Petani and Gurun after spending the day in Pulau Jerajak. They stopped at a petrol station in Samagaga to take a break around 9:15 p.m. on Wednesday, but were believed to have fallen asleep in the car.
Michigan tonight after a carbon monoxide leak at a hotel pool party took the life of a 13-year-old boy. The deadly gas is odorless, tasteless, and invisible.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to all viewers. We are the R&D team of Pokok Sena Science School here to present to you about our latest innovation regarding safety technology. Firstly, let's talk about carbon monoxide. You cannot see or smell carbon monoxide, but at a high level it can kill a person in mere minutes. It is the leading cause of gas poisoning deaths worldwide. Carbon monoxide is produced whenever a fuel, such as gasoline, is burned. The amount of CO produced depends mainly on the efficiency of combustion. Every year, at least 500 people die in the US from accidental CO poisoning. Approximately 80,100 people in the US were rushed to the emergency department each year due to accidental CO poisoning. In September, there was a case here in Malaysia where 2 students passed away due to carbon monoxide poisoning and left another 2 in critical condition in a running ideal vehicle. This justifies that carbon monoxide poisoning is an increasing threat to our well-being in life.
This innovation is inclined towards the automotive industry. Why, you ask? The lethal consequences of carbon monoxide in engine exhaust is tragically illustrated by the hundreds of deaths each year from carbon monoxide poisoning. Others die or become ill in homes with attached garage, while stranded in their car, or while driving in a vehicle with a defective exhaust system. Why are defective exhaust systems so dangerous? Internal combustion in engine produce extremely high carbon monoxide concentration. Even a properly tuned gasoline engine will produce more than 30,000 parts per million of carbon monoxide. An exhaust leakage can allow the escape of carbon monoxide before it is converted to non-toxic carbon dioxide. The carbon monoxide leakage from the exhaust system can enter the vehicle through the holes in the body or open windows or doors. With that in mind, we have created an innovation that is specifically targeted to tackle this issue in the automotive industry. It is called AMBICO, a smart carbon monoxide detector with an air refreshener.
Objective of AMBICO. The main objective of this product is as follows. First, give awareness to citizens about how carelessness in this issue could result in deaths, especially when taking a nap in a running idle car. Second, prevent concentrated carbon monoxide in vehicles that can affect driving performance. Third, alert passengers who service their vehicles if the alarm sound due to CO leakage. And lastly, provide a better and safe environment in vehicles. AMBICO is an innovation that aims to bring a comfortable way to utilize a CO detector in vehicles without the hassle of using a wired power source. The main novelty of this product is that it has an accurate CO detector with a buzzer that sounds when CO reaches a certain concentration to alert passengers and drivers. The software for the CO detector is purchased beforehand and assembled by us. It uses 85 decibel buzzer with a 9-volt battery. The CO detector can detect CO level from 0 to 999 ppm with a set of time coded to sound the alarm. It is connected to the 9-volt battery source. The buzzer is also not connected to the motherboard to sync with the CO detector. It can be easily be attached to any aircon grill or even any dashboard. The second novelty is that this product also have a slot for air refreshener. It have a simple sleek design that is minimalistic and modern. It also very compact for a portable CO detector. Battery and air refreshener replacement is very easy because the slot is accessible from the back without any screws. You may ask, what is so special about AMBICO? That is where things get interesting. Most AMBICO components are made from pure recyclable materials. The shell is made from a mounting board that is suitable to replace plastic as it has the same heat capacity as the latter. The shell is made accurately to fit the CO detector to prevent rattling when driving. This is to ensure no distraction is made to distract the drivers.
AMBICO is proven to be a successful innovation in progress. Therefore, the product now is specialized in automotive industry. For instance, it can be modified to fit the criteria of other scenarios. AMBICO can be very flexible in usage thoroughly in our daily life. It can be commercialized in different sectors other than the automotive sectors. We targeting these sectors as following. For the first, heavy industry sectors, and secondly will be the residential sectors. AMBICO is proven to be very adaptive when it comes to requests to fit characteristics given by those two sectors above. Heavy industry sectors primarily uses fossil fuels that profusely release carbon monoxide in large concentration at a given time. Workers are exposed to work in high-risk areas that has a high chance for carbon monoxide poisoning. AMBICO can be thoroughly modified to fit the criteria needed for any heavy industry sectors. It can be made larger in size, or wider with buzzer and durable materials. For the residential sector, AMBICO fits perfectly within the needs of the consumer. The size is perfect and can be mounted on walls or simply on the cupboard. It has a long battery lifespan and the refreshner can be replaced with a better time-operated mechanism to ensure it works very effectively. As a result, we hope this innovation can be beneficial towards the environmental safety of humans and also to decrease the pollution in the world by reducing the plastic usage and making use of recyclable materials. We also hope AMBICO can achieve its original aim, which is to spread awareness about carbon monoxide poisoning and reduce the death of innocent people regarding this issue.